Hello friends, my name is Priyabrat Mishra and you all are watching me on your favorite channel Ulta Soch. मेरे फ्रेंड्स आज आम आलोचना करिबा प्लस टू सेकेंडरी जो अच्छी माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज तार क्वेश्चन आंसर आलोचना करबा सहित टिके बुझिबा ए क्वेश्चन आंसर डायरेक्टली मोर वेबसाइट रू आपन मानकु देखौची जो माने यार लिंक अच्छी हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है आपण सेठी भी डायरेक्ट करिवे बट एठी हमें कौन करिबा ना आलोचना करिबा माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो क्वेश्चन आंसर सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जोटा कि आपन प्रथम यूनिट रो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आसियो व्हाई वर नेशनलिस्टिक फीलिंग्स running high during the 1936 Summer Olympic in Berlin तामानी 1936 समर बर्लिन ओलंपिक रे काहेकि नेशनलिस्टिक फीलिंग्स टा वाज रनिंग हाई बहुत अधिक थिला आंसर कोन ना हिटलर had whipped up extreme egoism in Germany declaring that Germans because of their Aryan lineage were inherently superior to other races on earth. Such air of German supremacy prevailed the 1936 Olympic. तामाने हिटलर कौन करथिले ना चाइल्डिशली आपण लिखि परिबे ताकू यदि ये डिफिकल्ट लागुची आपण लिखंतु हिटलर had childishly insisted that his performers were the members of a master race. Due to this, the nationalistic feeling were running high during the 1936 Berlin Olympic. Right? Next, Jiba. Question number 2 देची I was not too worried about all. Question number 2 कौन देची I was not too worried about all this. What does this refer to? Hitler belief now winning a gold medal. मुता आगुर अपन मनु पछरी बेठी I means के I means आपनकर के जेसी वेंस कोचंती मु ए सब को नै के एते बगर नथिले एटी दिस मीन्स को कोचंती हिटलर कर बिलीफ ना गोल्ड मेडल here this refers to Hitler's belief Jesse Wentz remained unruffled by the air of German supremacy that Hitler had preached so assiduously. Owen really did not care much about such propaganda. एबले propaganda by Hitler को belief को से आदो विश्वास करू नथिल बा he was not worried, right? Now question number 3 I was not Wentz worried. Now question आसुची से काहे की worried नथिले. Wentz had worked very hard for 6 years for the Olympic. Olympic रो आखि आगे रखी कि Wentz कौन करथिले ना बहुत परिश्रम करथिले. Wentz worked very hard. केते वर्ष पई 6 वर्ष पई. His training had shown results at home. तांको ट्रेनिंग घरे तो रिजल्ट पाइतले. He knew athletic prowess gets glory not superficial supremacy. athletic ये ग्लोरी आने सुप्रीमेसी के कोन कहिदला सेटा न के कोन कहिदला सेटा ग्लोरी आसीबन जदि आपनकर रिजल्ट आसिला ताहाले आपनकर ग्लोरी आपनको पाखु आनिबो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 why did everyone expect Wentz to win the long jump easily क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रे कहउछि काहे कि समस्ते पूरा इजीली एक्सपेक्ट करूथिले के जितिबो ना Wentz लॉन्ग जंप को इजीली जितिबा पई देखि Wentz had कौन करथिले ना notched up a spectacular leap of 26 फुट 8 and a quarter inches in one of his college meet कॉलेज रे से कौन करथिले 26 फुट 8 आउ गोटे क्वार्टर इंच देथिले तेनु इट वाज अ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड Wentz based his confidence on this performance. अपना आउट की ताकू साइज everyone expected Wentz to win the long jump easily because 1 year before as a university student Wentz एथिकी देथिले right next question को जिबा what was the surprise that awaited Jesse Wentz in Berlin कौन थिला से सरप्राइज जोटा Jesse Wentz को बर्लिन रे वेट करथिला A hitherto German athlete named Lars Long appeared from nowhere and registered a jump of 26 feet in the long jump trial. Long jump trial रे जने जर्मन athlete ଯାହାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଲଜ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲା trial ରେ 26 ଫୁଟ ଡେଉଁଥିଲେ. The students never knew that there was one such competitor waiting to challenge him. This surprised the students. The students କେବେ ଭାବିନଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏମିତି ବି ଜଣେ କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏତେ ଡେଇଁବ. ସିଏ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ କଣ ସେ ଆରାମସେ ଜିତିଯିବେ ବୋଲି. ତେଣୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଇକି ଦେଖିଲେ କଣ ନା ଜଣେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ 26 ଫୁଟ ଡେଉଁଛି ଏଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏକ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ ଥିଲା. ରାଇଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ କୁ ଯିବା. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ କଣ ଅଛି What did he learn from people about Lodge Long? Lodge Long ବିଷୟରେ ସେ କଣ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କଠୁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ? ତମେ ଲେଖିବ ଯେ ସେ got to know that Hitler had deliberately kept Lodge Long away from limelight so that his spectacular show would make other competitors like him nervous. ସେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ ଯେ ହିଟଲର ୟାଙ୍କୁ ଲୁଚେଇକି ଜାଣି ଶୁଣି ରଖିଥିଲେ ଲାଇମଲାଇଟ ରୁ ଫଳରେ କଣ ହବ ଇଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବେ ସ୍ପେକ୍ଟାକୁଲାରଲି ଶୋ କରିବେ ବଢିଆ ସେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଯେମିତି ଇଏ ନର୍ଭସ ହେଇଛି ସେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସବୁ ଖେଳାଳି ନର୍ଭସ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି. Do you think Nazi-Syrian superiority theory meant that German were superior to Negroes? How did Owens feel about it? Angry or bothered? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ଲାଗୁଛି ନାଜି-ସାରିଆନ ସୁପରିୟରିଟି ଥିଓରି ମାନେ ଜର୍ମାନ ନିଗ୍ରୋ ମାନଙ୍କରୁ ସୁପରିୟର ଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଓଏନ୍ସ ୟାକୁ କେମିତି ଫିଲ୍ ହଉଥିଲେ ସେ ରାଗୁଥିଲେ ନା ବଦର କରୁଥିଲେ? Hitler's assertion of German race's superiority over others, particularly the blacks, was born out of his wild xenophobic mindset. It was clearly august and wicked. Owens knew the incipient hostility towards him for his black skin but choose to ignore it altogether. She initially ignore kale, right? What made Owens determined to beat Lodge Long? कौन Owens को determine कला कि ना इतना को हरेबी Lodge Long को? Jesse Owens resented Hitler's claim of German's racist superiority. Instead of protesting against such high-handedness verbally, he chose to revolt in the tracks using his power and skill. ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ସେ against ଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭର୍ବାଲି କାହା ସହ ଯାଇ ଯୁକ୍ତିଯୁକ୍ତ କରିବାର ସେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ଖେଳରେ ଦେଖେଇଦେବି ତାକୁ ଏଇ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ ରେ ମୁଁ ଜିତିବି. Right? This was the best way to counter Hitler's loathsome attitude to other races, particularly Negroes. ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବେଷ୍ଟ ୱେ ଥିଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ୟାର ଲୋଥସମ୍ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ ଅଛି କାହାର ନା ହିଟଲରର ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କଣ କଲେ ନା ଡିଟରମାଇନ କଲେ ଲଜ ଲଙ୍ଗକୁ ହରାଇବେ ବୋଲି. ଏବେ ଯିବା ୟୁନିଟ 2 ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ ଆନ୍ସର କୁ. ୟୁନିଟ 2 ର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ କଣ ଦେଇଛି ନା what does a coach say about an angry athlete? ଜଣେ କୋଚ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଆଙ୍ଗ୍ରି ଆଥଲେଟ ବିଷୟରେ କଣ କହିବେ? Coaches always ask their trainees ସବୁବେଳେ କୋଚେସ୍ ମାନେ କଣ କରନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରେନି ମାନଙ୍କୁ କଣ କୁହନ୍ତି ଟୁ ସନ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗର ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ କମ୍ପିଟିସନ as such feelings undermine their performance. ସବୁବେଳେ କୋଚ୍ ମାନେ କଣ କରନ୍ତି ନା ତାଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରେନି ବା ଆଥଲେଟ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଡଭାଇସ ଦିଅନ୍ତି କି ଆଙ୍ଗରକୁ ରାଗ କ୍ରୋଧକୁ ଦାବିକି ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ନହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଖରାପ ହେଇଯିବ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ What were the results of the first two qualifying jumps for Owens? ପ୍ରଥମ ଦୁଇଟା କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇଂ ଜମ୍ପସ୍ ରେ କଣ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଆସିଲା? Owens overshot the starting line by nearly 7 inches in his first qualifying attempt. ପ୍ରଥମ ଆଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟରେ ପାଖାପାଖି 7 ଇଞ୍ଚ ଅଧିକ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ଲାଇନ ଯୋଉଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତି ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକ ପଳେଇଲେ 7 ଇଞ୍ଚ नो ଜମ୍ପ ହେଲା. The second jump was also technically wrong. Owens stood there very worried as he had just one more chance to go to the final. ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜମ୍ପ ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଜମ୍ପ ତାଙ୍କର नो ଜମ୍ପ ରେ ହେଲା ତେଣୁ ଓଏନ୍ସ ସେଠି ଭାରି ଓରି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେଇକି ସେଠି ରହିଲେ କାରଣ ସେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ମାତ୍ର କଣ ଅଛି ନା ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି. ରାଇଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ Why did Owens kick the pit? Owens କାହିଁକି ଗୋଇଠା ମାଇଲେ kick the pit, right? କାହିଁକି ମାଇଲେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ ଆନ୍ସର କଣ ହବ ନା Jesse Owens had goofed off his first two trial jumps. He was tense and very angry with himself. ପ୍ରଥମ ଦିଟା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଜମ୍ପ ପୁରା ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର ତେଣୁ ନିଜ ଉପରେ ବହୁତ ରାଗିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ଟେନସନରେ ଥିଲେ. ଟୁ ଭେଣ୍ଟ ହିଜ ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ହି କିକ୍ ଦ ପିଟ୍ ଆଉଟ ଅଫ ଫ୍ରଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନରେ ଆସିକି ଗୋଇଠା ମାରିଲେ. Right? Who offered Owens a firm handshake and Lodge Long? Lodge Long offered. Was he friendly or hostile? Right? এটা হচ্ছে হোস্ট ফ্রেন্ডলি यार कौन He shook hands with great warmth and empathy. बढ़िया warmth ଆଉ empathy ସହ handshake କଲେ. Why did Long speak to Owens during the trials? କାହିଁକି ତାଙ୍କ ସହ କଥା ହେଲେ Long Owens ଙ୍କ ସହିତ? Did he mean to make friendship with Owens or to find out what was troubling him? ସେ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ friendship କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନା ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ କଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପକଉଥିଲା. Long understood the discomfiture of Owens. He wanted to calm Owens' nervous so that he takes his last qualifying chance successfully and made it to the finals. He appeared genuinely friendly to Jesse Owens. ସିଏ ଜାଣିବ ସେ ପୁରା ଜେନ୍ୟୁନଲି ଜାଣିଲେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କରୁଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ଯାଇକି କୁଲ କରଉଥିଲେ ରାଇଟ୍ ନାଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 6 he really looked the part what does this mean does it mean long was trying to play the part of an iron or he looked as if he belonged to a super theory ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିଲେ ସେବେଳେ ତା ମାନେ କଣ ये कौन चाहूले आयरन बोली निजକୁ ଦେଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ନା ସେ ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିଲେ Jesse Owens refers to the tall and slim Lodge Long was an ace long jumper and body frame showed it. His body frame also showed it, right? Now, question number 7. How did Lodge Long help Jesse Owens in qualifying for the final jumps? केमिति तांको हेल्प कले फाइनल जंप रे क्वालिफाई करिबा पाई Long had seen how Owens had overshot his starting line in the earlier chances. He told Owens to draw a making line a few inches behind the actual starting line so that even if he overshot the start, he would still be not committing an infringement. Being a powerful jumper, the loss of a few inches would not harm Owens in any way. Long कौन कले ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ ଓଭରସଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଗରୁ ଯାଇକି ଡେଉଁଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ସେ କଣ କହିଲେ ନା ଯୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଟେକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଏ ତାଠୁ କିଛି ଇଞ୍ଚ ପଛରୁ ଡେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଯେହେତୁ ଇଏ ଜଣେ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ ଜମ୍ପର ଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରିବାରେ କୌଣସି ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ ନାହିଁ Now, tomorrow is what counts. What did Long mean by this? Does he mean that Wentz would win the next day or that performance the next day would matter much? Tomorrow is what counts से कौन mean करते कि Wentz next दिन जितिबे ना तांकर performance next day performance टा होची matter करे. The final event was scheduled for the next day. Final event टा next day ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା. Long told that the performance in the final is all that matter. Final ର performance ଟା ହିଁ matter करे. ଆଜି ଖାଲି qualify କରିବାର ଅଛି. So qualifying for it was essential for Owens. Both of them could compete then and show up their best. ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କୁ compete କରିପାରିବେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର best ଦେଖାଇ ପାରିବେ. Right? Hope ଆପଣମାନେ question ର answer କୁ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ନ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ you can ask me. Right? Did Owens qualify for the final jump? How did he do that? Owens qualify କରିପାରିଲେ କି final jump କୁ ଯଦି କଲେ କେମିତି କଲେ? Owens heeded Long's advice to start a few inches behind the actual starting line to preclude any chance of disqualification of overshooting the ball. Long's advice अनुसार से कौन कले किछि इंच पछू डेले कौन पे ଆଉ डिस्क्वालिफाई हबार बा ओभर डेइंग अधिक डेइबा चक्कर आगु जो जिबा से सब नथिबो टेंशन The plan worked and Owens regained his composure and sailed into the final penalty. ଆଉ ଏ ପ୍ଲାନ ଟି କାମ କଲା ଆଉ ସିଏ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେ ଫାଇନାଲ ରେ ଜିତି ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରି ପାରିଲେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଉ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 3 ର ଯୋଉ ଚାରୋଟି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଛି ତା ବିଷୟରେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା When did Owens and Long realize that they had become friends? କେତେବେଳେ Owens and Long realize କଲେ କି ସେମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଇସାରିଥିଲେ Long went out of the way and advised Owens because of which he got qualified for finals. Long ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ ସେ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ଜିତି ପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଡିସ୍କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ ହେଇଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ୱେ କଲେ ଚାହିଁକି କଣ କଲେ ହେଲ୍ପ କଲେ Owens କୁ ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ସେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କଲେ ଫାଇନାଲ କୁ After this, Owens especially went to Long's room to thank him and there they sat together and talked for 2 hours about a lot of things. When Owens stood up to leave, they both knew that the real friendship had been formed. ଯେମିତି ବହିରେ ଆପଣ ପାଇବେ ତାପରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ କ୍ୱାର୍ଟରକୁ ଗଲେ ସେଠାରେ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ବସିକି କଥା ହେଲେ ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଉଠିଲେ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ ସେତେବେଳକୁ both of them knew ଜାଣିଥିଲେ କି କଣ ନା ସେମାନେ ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହୋଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। Who was Cobertin? What was his idol? Cobertin କିଏ ଥିଲେ? ତାଙ୍କର ଆଇଡଲ କଣ ଥିଲା? Theodore Cobertin, he was the founder of modern Olympic game. Cobertin was the founder of modern Olympic game. Modern Olympic game ର ସେ ଥିଲେ founder. ତାଙ୍କର ଆଇଡଲ ମିନ୍ସ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ବିଲିଭ କରୁଥିଲେ, he believed that important thing in the Olympic games is not winning but taking part. Olympic game important ଜିତିବା ନୁହଁ ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା। The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. Life ରେ essential thing କେବେ conquering ନୁହଁ, ଜିତିବା ନୁହଁ, fighting well, ବଢିଆ ସେ fight କରିବା, ଜିତିବା ହାରିବା ଆମ ହାତରେ ନାହିଁ। Next question, why has Lodge Long been called a fine example of Cobertin's idol? କାହିଁକି ଲଜ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ କୁ କବର୍ଟିନଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଆଇଡଲ ର ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇନ୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ବୋଲି କୁହାହଉଛି। Again, Long went out of the way and advised Wayne when he was disturbed. ଯେତେବେଳେ Wayne disturb ଥିଲେ, ଇଏ out of way ଯାଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ advice କଲେ। Then in the finals, when Long performed well and broke his own past record, though Wayne gave his peak performance and won the final. ତାପରେ ସିଏ ବି ଆଜ ଏ ଖେଳାଳି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦିନ ଗଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଜ ପାଷ୍ଟ ରେକର୍ଡ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ, ଯଦିଓ ଓୱେନ୍ସ ବି ତାଙ୍କର ପିକ୍ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଦେଇକି ଫାଇନାଲ ଜିତିଲେ। ଇଏ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ରେକର୍ଡ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଓୱେନ୍ସ ଜିତିଲେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଡେସ୍ପାଇଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦିସ୍, ଲଙ୍ଗ କେମ୍ ଟୁ ଓୱେନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ କଂଗ୍ରାଚୁଲେଟେଡ ହିମ୍। ଲଙ୍ଗ ଓୱେନ୍ସଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଂଗ୍ରାଚୁଲେଟ କରିଥିଲେ। This way Long proved to be the epitome of Cobertin's idol. Epitome ମାନେ example, ଗୋଟେ idol। କବର୍ଟିନଙ୍କ ଆଇଡଲ ସିଏ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଥିଲେ କଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଖେଳୁଆଡ ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ପାଇଁ। What do you think was the greatest Olympic prize for Jesse Owens? The gold medal he won in long jump or the friendship he formed with long jump? ଦିଟାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ କୋଉଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗ୍ରେଟେଷ୍ଟ ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ ଥିଲା, ପ୍ରାଇଜ ଥିଲା? ଜିତିବା ଯୋଉ ପାଇବା ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ନା ତାଙ୍କ ଯୋଉ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସିପ ହେଇଥିଲା ଲଜ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ ସହିତ? The real friendship with Lodge Long was the greatest Olympic prize for Jesse Owens. जो लॉज लॉन्ग को सहित जो रियल फ्रेंडशिप ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା greatest Olympic prize. For this he himself said that you could melt down all the gold medals and cups I have and they would not be patting on the 24-carat friendship I felt for Lodge Long that moment. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କହିଥିଲେ ବି କି ମୋର ଯେତେ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମେଲ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ଯୋଉ 24 କ୍ୟାରେଟ ଯେଟାକୁ ପିଓର ଫର୍ମ ଅଫ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ କୁହାଯାଏ, ମୋର ଯୋଉ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସିପ ଅଛି ଇଏ ତା ସହିତ ସମାନ ହବ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି। फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट किसी वीडियो आम कौन करवा एमती सब जिते सब विषय पढ़ाई आगु तार क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करवा। वीडियो भल लगे लाइक करूँ, शेयर करूँ, सब्सक्राइब करूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच माय फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच।